So, I hear you just swapped out your thirsty lawn for a sleek, low water use landscape. Well done. Now comes the fun part, keeping it looking nice and fresh without your water bill breaking the bank. Welcome to our guide on the drought-tolerant plant and tree care. In this video, I'll share simple, effective tips to keep your plants happy while conserving water, because your garden deserves to look as amazing as you do. When adding a new plant, timing is everything. Plant in the fall so roots can settle in over winter. For the first 2 to 3 months, water deeply and regularly to help them establish. After that, you can cut back on watering because nobody likes a needy plant. As a pro tip, always water at the base of the plant, not the leaves. Overwatering can cause root rot, the silent assassin of well-intentioned plant parents. But don't worry, you won't be one of them. Regular pruning keeps your plants healthy and looking sharp. Remove dead branches, disease spots, and faded flowers to encourage fresh growth. Think of it as a haircut, trimming off the split ends. Snip the old ones and your plants will come back fuller, healthier, and ready to impress. Choose drought-tolerant superstars like succulents, cacti, and native shrubs. These beauties thrive with minimal watering once established. They're basically the low-maintenance friends of the plant world. Healthy soil equals happy plants. Mix in organic matter like compost to improve structure, retain moisture, and keep your plants well fed. Mulch is your best friend. It locks in moisture, smothers weeds, and keeps soil temperature steady. Apply 3 to 4 inches of organic mulch, which can be wood chips, bark, or shredded leaves, around your plants. As a bonus tip, it also prevents soil compaction, so roots can breathe easy. Newly planted trees may need staking for support. Use the right materials and don't forget to remove the stakes once your tree is standing tall on its own, because nobody wants to be the overprotective plant parent forever. Also, check trees regularly for pests and diseases. Spot an issue early and you can stop it before it turns into a full-blown garden crisis. Fertilize native plants in the early spring to give them a boost before the growing season. Organic fertilizers are a great, sustainable choice. As a bonus tip, prune trees and plants in their dormant season to shape them properly and keep them thriving. Use the right tools, because hacking at branches with old kitchen scissors just isn't the right move. Follow these simple steps and your drought-tolerant garden will thrive, while making your neighbors green with envy. For more expert tips, visit westbasin.org/landscape-maintenance. And most importantly, enjoy your new garden, because less watering means you can sit back and relax more.